This is the place. Whoa, that one there.
A big park of Paris.
How good is it, Daddy?
It's beautiful. Just like you.
Ay, pasikat na siya. Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to our channel. So it is Saturday morning guys, beautiful day outside. I am currently in the backyard because Paris is watching her nursery rhymes inside and it's very loud, so I'm not able to film there. So that's why I'm here now. And yeah, so I'm gonna take you with me today guys. So we're going to Glen Waverly to see the real estate agent and also to bring the check to them. Just a bit of backstory, I wasn't able to film or vlog last weekend because we've been really busy. So I'm gonna tell you now what's been happening for the last week. Yeah, so last Saturday we went for like house inspections. So currently here in West Footscray we are renting, and last October 2019, my work office, the office moved to Notting Hill. So it's around 35 kilometers away from West Footscray guys. So it means I have to drive from here to there, obviously. Well, luckily, I work from home 2 days a week, so I only have to drive there for 3 days, but still, it's very far for me. And also because I use the toll, like the freeway in the morning, so I don't get late, it also cost me, and it adds up the cost and it gets really expensive. So it's a really big decision guys. Daddy and I agreed to actually move closer to work, so that's why last Saturday we inspected 7 houses in the southeast area, and among that 7 places guys, we like 2 of them. So one that I really like and one that Daddy really likes. So the one that I like is in Noble Park, and the one that Daddy likes is in Mount Waverly. So Saturday afternoon we've done all our inspections. Daddy and I talk about it. So Sunday morning, Daddy, we prepared all the paperwork and everything, and then Sunday night we sent our application through to the 2 places. It was really a quick turnaround guys. It was amazing because considering that we only applied Sunday night, and then Monday morning, we've been getting phone calls and all our references getting phone calls from the real estate agent. And then yeah, Monday morning we got a phone call saying that we got approved for one of the property guys. So the one that we got approved is yes, the one that Daddy likes. Not mine guys. So the one that I really like is in Noble Park. I really like the house, it's beautiful. I might insert some photos so you'll see what I'm talking about. But the space and the layout of the place was just beautiful guys. That's why I really like it. But then the one that Daddy likes is a very oldish kind of house, like a European style house. But the really good thing about that is it's really close to my work, and it's very close to the train station, public transport, because Dada works in the city and he uses public transport, so it's very handy for him. And then yeah, close to Paris's childcare, so it's basically close to everything guys. So yeah, so we are moving, guys. You know, I'm sad to leave because, you know, I like this house, you know, that we're staying here now in West Footscray. But, you know, what can you do, right? So I love my job, you know, I love working in that company. So you know, I'm willing to relocate for that. And yeah, that's what we're doing now, guys. So as mentioned, we got the place. We are just going to the office today, guys, to bring all the check, because renting here in Australia, guys, you have to pay. The first payment would be advance 1 month pay and also the bond. So the only thing that I also like, guys, about moving that way, apart from, you know, closer to work and all of that, is that it's cheaper. It's not a lot cheaper, but it is cheaper. So at the moment, this house that we are in now, we are paying 400 Australian dollars per week, but the new place is only $385 per week. So that's $15 savings per week, guys, which adds up to what, $60 per month, which is not bad at all. You know what I mean? You can use that $60 towards, I don't know, bills, you know, phones, electricity and water and all that stuff. So yeah, guys, we are, you know, ready now. I just came out here to talk to you. I'm gonna put this on now because it's getting really hot. And yeah, that's about it, guys. I'm gonna take you with me. It's about maybe, what, I'll just say 40 minutes drive from here. So it's gonna be a quite long drive for me. And but yeah, we probably, after going to the agent, guys, we probably go to the house. Well, the people that currently lives there, they're still there, guys, so we won't be able to go in, but we are able to see, you know, what it looks outside and all. So yeah, and also we are not moving until Feb, so we still have 2 weeks here in West Footscray, and we still have 2 weeks to pack everything and get ourselves ready. So yeah, that's good. See you all, guys. I'll speak to you again soon. So guys, we're at the car park. It's our first time here at the Glen Shopping Centre. Ang shop ni Mingay. Pera.
Paris wanna go in the car?
So guys, we're here to find food. And they have our favorite shop. New chicken. Yay! Yum! So Daddy and Tita just went to get some food, guys. My food is here, guys. So I just ordered bongole. spicy. And then he got rice and chicken. And then Dada just went to get his. And I think he ordered Thai. Daddy's. Alright, bon appetit! Paris! Go! Murang dagkan! Oo na! Ayaw iluwa ha? Kau naman. May luwa ay. Guys, no? Tagan kayo, guys. Taon. It's amazing. Ang magkaon na dahil. Wow. Hala, kapilo mo.
Can they made their own noodles. It's not instant.
Wow. Dad and Paris just left, guys. Because Mimi and I is at the beauty and brow parlor. She's getting her eyebrow fringed.
Bring it pa kayo dito. Ilan ang irisan akong eyebrow ko?
Yeah. Si mine, guys. Upo, may ako, guys. Guys, I'm gonna show you the result. Are you all excited? So, what do you think? It looks beautiful? Time to pay. Yes.
Kan nagpa-trading pa man ka.
Thank you. Huh?
Nagpa-trading pa man pug ka.
So I'm gonna show you the result, guys. Ding ding ding. Okay na, guys. Yes na lang, guys. Uy, imo makbe? Yeah, lami kay kilay.
Pangit lang kay gnawo.
Just a regular one.
Salted caramel.
Salted caramel.
And a fish and yep. Thank you very much.
Yeah!
You want it back?
Yes, please.
Nice visit.
Nice.
Everything has to be produced here.
Okay. Follow our vlog. What are you making shirt panty? Bye. Guys, Okay, this is like 5 lang sa.
Gani.
Hey, Daddy, ask me how much, Daddy.
I can do it in the car.
Yeah.
Well, I'll give it one. She's gonna try. These cupcakes.
We just back, so we're going to show you the place that we get approved, guys. This is the place. Whoa, that one there. Oh, and that's the sign. You know, they don't need that sign anymore, guys, because obviously we're gonna live in that house next month. Looks cute, right? It looks, you know, an old style, like European style, but it's cute. Uy! Kanina man. That will be my garage, guys. That's outside. Nice. So I'm gonna show you our neighborhood. So across the road is just the park. They've got like basketball court and some, you know, play stuff for Paris, which is gonna be perfect. And this is our neighborhood, guys. Big houses in here. It's a quiet road, but seriously, the big houses. But yeah. Oh, you can play basket here, Daddy. Wow. Just in front of the house. House there. So cool. And Mama can watch you. So guys, everything is closed. So this is the park just across the road from the place, guys. And Daddy loves basketball, so he's definitely gonna use that. And park for Paris. Oh my god, this is just perfect. Mak, perfect location kay Mak, no?
Pwede na kasi while magluto ka dito kanyapon dito kung nanimo sila na.
Wow, what a big park for Paris. What a big park for Paris.
How good is it, Daddy?
It's beautiful. Just like you.
Ay, pasikat na gina siya.
Ano siya na happy family.
Look at Mama.
May ito ang chad nga ako.
Lord!
Hold on, anak.
Stop doing that.
Ay, get. Ay, stop sa karon.
Ang yan pa is maragihubak na sin.
Ay, hindi na ito magsayo, ma. Yeah. It's pretty old. It's like, you know, but it's still working fine for sure. It's just all like that.
Yeah, fade.
What is it, honey? What is it?
Swing.
So that's it, guys. We just finished playing at the park. We are gonna go home now. So I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here now. And yeah, stay tuned because there'll be more videos to come, guys. Us packing and, you know, moving into a new place and moving out from our old place, so there will be lots of things to, you know, to do. So it's still hot, guys, so we're just turning on the car and leave the aircon running for a little bit before we hop in. But yeah, that is the place, and the lease is for a year, guys, so we might, you know, renew if everything goes well. Then, you know, we will renew for another year, and yeah, but for now we actually really like the area. Yes, honey, we can go in. It's too hot.
Hot.
But yeah, guys, I'm so happy. We're so happy that we actually got this place, because when we came in for inspection last Saturday, there were few people, and you know, we were so lucky that we got chosen for this place. Well, Daddy pushed really hard for this, so yeah, this is Daddy's place. He really wants it badly, really bad. But yeah, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Hello. Oh wait, Nati lang na siya. So yeah, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and please, if you have any questions about, you know, renting, you know, how to you know, rent a place here in Australia, specifically Melbourne, let me know. I will, you know, try to answer your questions. Paris, come on, honey. Shh.
Come on.
But yeah, for now, that's about it, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I would appreciate if you can. Daddy, can you please tell them to subscribe to my channel?
Subscribe or else.
Harsh mga show. And also, please give this a thumbs up, guys, if you like this video. And push that notification bell. I'll see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye, guys.